Now children, it's time to do exercises given in Unit 7, that is kinds of pronouns on page number 32. So open your books on page number 32 and let's discuss exercise 1. Write out these sentences again using pronouns instead of words in color. You have seen that in a sentence, two colors have been used, dark blue and a sky blue color. The words given in sky blue, we have to rewrite them, but instead of nouns, we will use pronouns. Look at Paul. Now we know Paul is a name of a boy, so we'll write he. He is sleeping. Wake dash up. Wake him up. Next, Leela is a pretty girl. Now Leela is the name of a girl, so we'll write she is 10 years old. Everyone likes Leela. Instead of Leela, we'll write everyone likes her. I have a book. Now you know the book is a non-living thing, so for book we'll add it. It is very interesting. The book, instead of the book we'll write it. It has many pictures. I like the pictures. Now pictures are in plural form. We will write them very much. Meera is a good girl. I like her because she works hard. When the girl saw the butterfly, the girl, for the girl we'll use the pronoun she. Ran after the butterfly. For butterfly we'll write it. But dash flew away. For the butterfly we'll again write the word it. It flew away. Next exercise, fill in the blanks with suitable pronouns. The woman gave sweets to the children, but dash did not thank dash. Now here in first blank we'll consider the children. We'll use the pronoun for children. Look at the sentence again. The woman gave sweets to the children, but the children are in plural form, so we will write they did not thank. Thank whom? The woman. The woman is a feminine, so we will write her here. Sita is a good girl. For Sita, we will add a pronoun she. She always comes to school on time. The teacher likes dash very much. The teacher likes her very much. Peter. Now after Peter, look carefully. There's a comma. That means Peter. We are talking to Peter. Peter dash are a naughty boy. You are a naughty boy. Dash never obey. You never obey me. You always make a noise. I do not like to work with you. Here after Peter, this comma shows that we are talking to Peter. Peter is the second person and the person I am talking is the first person. That's why we have filled the blanks with you and I. Where is Robert? Oh, now we are talking about Robert. For Robert, we'll write he is late again. I told him to come on time. Tell him to see me when he comes. This is all about exercise 2. Let's move to exercise 3 now. Choose the most suitable answer to fill in the blanks in the sentences given below. We agreed to help dash with our maths problems. We agreed to help for their which pronoun we'll use? Them. We'll use them. We agreed to help them. This is your cap or his. Lakshmi was unhappy because her classmates made fun of. Lakshmi is a girl, so we'll write her. Tell those boys. Now those boys are plural. Tell those boys that they may wait. Look at that house. Now that house is non-living thing, so we'll write how it burns. My father is taking dash to a movie. My father, remember if I have written my father, so obviously he'll take me to the movie. That hat must be sir. We are talking to sir. Again, look at the comma in front of sir. That means we are talking to him. So second person will come, and what's the second person? Yours. Next sentence. Has Mrs. Bose gone home? I think this purse must be Mrs. Bose. So feminine pronoun hers. Be careful of that dog. Noun is that dog. So we'll write it may bite you. The girls are in the hall. Now the nouns are the girls. They are in plural form. So pronoun must be in plural form. They are practicing for the school concert. Next, exercise 4. Fill in the blanks with reflexive or emphasizing pronouns. Rita, you will hurt. Now you, for you, we will add yourself. Rita is singular, so we have added yourself. Sita often talks to. Now Sita is a girl. For Sita, we'll write herself. We often deceive. We will use ourselves as a reflexive pronoun. We is plural, so selves, selves means plural form of ourselves. Boys, you. For you, we'll add yourself or yourselves, but boys here, boys word is plural, so we'll add plural form, yourselves. The thieves hid. The thieves word is in plural form, so we'll write themselves. You dash wanted this. You yourself wanted this. The horse is a singular. The horse has hurt itself. He dash went to see the prisoner. For he will write himself. She dash is to blame for it. She herself is to blame for it. They dash are responsible for the mistake. They plural form, so they themselves are responsible for the mistake. That's all.